Since this is the first lesson, there will be no old or new review. During the visual drill, I will be saying the sounds as I move them off the screen. Try to say them faster than I do. Remember, you can always stop and practice until you can keep up with me. R, E. But remember, that can also say E, T, S, G, A. Remember, that can also say U. It can also say oo, O, N, P, K, I. But remember, that can also say I, J, Y, P, A. But remember, that can also say A, K, Q, Z, B, A. Remember, that can also say O, D, X. Now it's time for the auditory drill. During the auditory drill, I will be saying each sound. You need to pause the video after each one, write all the ways to write that sound that you can think of, and then check your answers by continuing the video. Practice until you can keep up with me. If you don't know the spelling of a sound, or if you miss the spelling of a sound, remember to write it 3 times correctly on your whiteboard and say it 3 times. Please write these sounds. R. Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? E. Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? T. Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? This is a printing T, but you should be writing it like this. If you don't know the spelling of a sound, or if you miss the spelling of a sound, remember to write it 3 times correctly on your whiteboard and say it 3 times. S. Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? G. Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? O. Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like that? Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like that? Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? If you don't know the spelling of a sound, or if you miss the spelling of a sound, remember to write it 3 times correctly on your whiteboard and say it 3 times. K. Pause and write the sound. Remember, there might be more than one way to write the sound. Did you write it like this? And did you write it this way too? I. Pause and write the sound. Did you write it like this? J. Pause and write the sound. I bet you wrote it like this. Yeah. Pause and write the sound. I bet you wrote it like this. Wah. Pause and write the sound. I bet you wrote it like this. Ah. Pause and write the sound. This is how you write it. This is a printing A, but you should be writing it like this. Pause and write the sound. That is how you write it. Qu. Pause and write the sound. You did it! Hey, you remembered the U, the Q's best friend. Z. Pause and write the sound. Great job. B.
Pause and write the sound.
Terrific! But don't get those B's and D's backward.
Pause and write the sound.
Fantastic! Ah.
Pause and write the sound.
Uh-huh. D.
Pause and write the sound.
Uh-huh. But don't get those B's and D's backward.
Pause and write the sound.
Yes, indeed. A.
Pause and write the sound.
Did you write it like this? This is a printing A, but you should be writing it like this. E.
Pause and write the sound.
Did you write it like this? I.
Pause and write the sound.
Did you write it like this? O.
Pause and write the sound.
Did you write it like this? U.
Pause and write the sound.
And did you write it like this? Good job.
During the blending drills, say each sound from left to right as I tap it with the pencil. When I drag the pencil from left to right, you say the whole word. Try to say the whole word faster than I do. Remember, if I'm going too fast, go back, stop, and replay the video until you can keep up with me. Ready? Here we go. Vox. Vod. Vob. Vab. Zab. Zap. Quap. Fap. Whap. Whip. Yip. Jip. Cup. Hup. Hun. Hum. Hug. Lug. Sug. Seg. Set. Ret. Stop and tell your teacher that you are ready for your new lesson.
Now it's time to write some sentences. Listen carefully. The hen can run in a pen. The hen can run in a pen. The hen can run in a pen. Remember to tap the sentence. Start with your thumb. The hen can run in a pen. 7 words. The hen can run in a pen.
Pause and write the sentence.
This is how you should have written it. Notice that you have a capital to start your sentence. The hen can run in a pen. Notice that there are spaces between each word, and notice that the sentence ends with a period. So now are you ready for the next sentence? Here we go. We led a fat cat to a mat. We led a fat cat to a mat We led a fat cat to a mat. Remember to tap the sentence. Start with your thumb. We led a fat cat to a mat. 8 words. We led a fat cat to a mat. Pause and write the sentence. So this is what your sentence should look like. Notice the capital, notice the spaces between words, and notice the period. Stop now and tell your teacher that you need to read the story The Man and His Cat. Now it's time to write red words. Red words are words that do not follow the rules. First we make a list of red words. The, one, of, once, and only. We only do 5 at a time. Then we hide the list, and we try to spell the words. Pause and write the word the. Check your answer, and if you didn't get it right, write the word correctly 3 times on your whiteboard. The pug is fat. Pause and write the word one. Remember to arm tap 3 times. I had 1 red cup. Pause and write the word of. Remember to arm tap 3 times. The ship had a lot of fish. Pause and write the word once. Remember to arm tap 3 times. The cat sat in the mud once. Pause and write the word only. Remember to arm tap 3 times. He is the only man in the shop. If you want more time to check out the red words, visit my website. On the left, click on the Extra Resources page, and you can see Martin Gillingham's red word list, as well as other lists for you to practice. When you click here, you will come to Quizlet Digital Flashcards. Click on the speaker button to hear the word read to you. Go back and forth, if necessary, to practice. Try to read the word before you listen to it. Always make sure to shuffle every once in a while so that you can find new words in different order. Again, you can go back and forth. Congratulations on working hard on your lesson today. You're all done for now.